I welcome you all to the next session of marketing management. In previous sessions, we completed about second chapter of marketing management, that was marketing management. Marketing management. And today we will be starting with the third chapter of marketing management. In that, we will be dealing with marketing planning. The name of the chapter itself says this is marketing planning. So in this chapter we will be dealing with what is marketing planning, what are the scope of marketing planning, what are the importance of marketing planning, elements and barriers of marketing planning. So let's start with marketing planning. What is marketing planning all about? Marketing planning is the process. Marketing planning is the process that consists of analyzing correct situation and information about marketing opportunities, forecasting and establishing planning promises, selecting the target market, determining the marketing objectives, designing and developing marketing strategy or course of actions for achieving these objectives, and allowing and allocating the resources to the ingredient of marketing efforts, that is marketing mix and marketing development procedure and policies. The action of marketing planning are generally divided into two divisions according to the time, that is long term marketing planning and short term marketing planning. Cleared? Okay. Chalo, let's move. What is the meaning of marketing planning? Planning is deciding in advance what to do, how to do, when to do, who is to do it and what to do it. आपको भी पता है प्लानिंग क्या है? जब हम किसी भी चीज़ का वेल इन एडवांस डिसाइड करते हैं कि कौन करेगा, कैसे करेगा, कब करेगा, क्यों करेगा, कैसे होगा, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड एज प्लानिंग. Planning is simply a rational approach to accomplish an objective. It brings the gap from where we are and where we want to go. मार्केटिंग प्लानिंग एक ब्रिज है जो गैप को फुलफ़िल करता है, जहाँ हम रुके हैं और हमें कहाँ जाना है, उस गैप को जो ब्रिज बनाता है, दैट इज़ प्लानिंग. Planning is the first management function to be performed in the process of management. Management का first function है planning. It governs several growth, survival, growth and prosperity of any enterprise in a competitive and ever-changing environment. Planning in an analytical process which covers analysis of the situation and environment, assessment of the future opportunities and threats, determination of objectives and goals in the light of the future environmental focus, and selection of the best strategy or the course of action from among the alternative strategy to achieve the objective. Planning is the first and the foremost function of management. Planning precedes all the function. Planning is the starting point of all marketing and business activity of an enterprise. Because of the dynamism of the environment, the role of marketing planning has increased a lot. Many experts today consider marketing planning as synonymous with overall business planning, because the purpose of any business is the successful management of its market. Marketing planning is the process. Marketing planning is the process that consists of analyzing correct situation and information about marketing opportunities, forecasting and establishing planning premises, selecting the target market, determining the marketing objectives, designing and developing marketing strategies or course of action for achieving these objectives, and allocating the resources to the ingredient of marketing efforts, marketing mix and developing procedure and policies. Every company must look ahead and determine when it want to go and how to get them. Its future should not be left to chance. To meet this need, companies use two systems: a strategic planning system and marketing planning system. Strategic planning provides the roadmap for the firm. Strategic planning serves as the bridge against risk and uncertainties. Strategic planning is a stream of decision and action which leads to effective strategies and which in turn helps the firm to achieve its objectives. Strategy is not sometime that can be taken out of one's pocket and pushed into the market all of a sudden. No magic formula exists to prepare for the future. The requirement are excellent insight to understand changing consumer needs, clear planning to focus our efforts on meeting these needs, and flexibility because change is the only constant. Most important, we must always offer products of quality and value to the consumers. Marketing planning is the process of anticipating future events and developing strategies to achieve the organizational objective. It involves designing activities relating to marketing objective. Marketing planning of an organism is planning for that organism's revenue generation activity. Clear to it? Okay. It must begin with setting down the corporate plan and should be followed through with the plan for each separate function. The first step in marketing planning process is setting down the marketing objectives and policies. Second step is designing the market system. In the marketing system, a company has to define each function which it contributes. Third, the third step is to develop separate objective programs and strategies of each function so that they can be assessed for the target purpose and the broad objectives. If any function can be met, its objective have to be modified for that functional area. Fourth, the fourth step is drawing of a detailed plan for which function for a short period, that is a quarter, half half a year or a year. It will be helpful in defining responsibilities, timing and cost needed to achieve the short term objectives. Fifth one है, the fifth step is merging the marketing plan into organizational plan. Clear to it? Marketing plan, why marketing plan is essential? Marketing plan क्यों essential है? It is planning, not gambling, that producer profits and security. Organization operates in increasingly fragmented, complex and fast changing market. Meeting the challenge present by a highly fluid and competitive environment normally means experiencing conflict pressure between business objective, ensuring customer service versus increasing profitability, short term profit versus long term creations, maximizing of revenue versus minimizing of cost. Marketing planning is an effective aid to management because of its integral role in identifying and classifying the priorities for the businesses. Without a clear statement of priority, the company is valuable internal to internal confusions and lots opportunities. The following list describe the most common symptoms of a reliance on traditional sales forecasting and budgeting process in the absence of marketing planning system. First one, lost opportunities for profit, meaningless number in plans, unrealistic objectives, lack of actionable market information, interfunctional scribbles, marketing frustration, management frustration, proliferation of products and market, wasted promotional expenditures, pricing confusion, growing variability to environmental change, loss of control over the business. An effective marketing planning system should offer more than immunity against these operational problems. It should deliver clear and more widely understood objectives and priorities, high level of unusable market information, improves interfunctional coordination, less wastage and duplication of resources, and greater overall business control. A Business Week survey in 1996 indicate that a few as 6% of the business people in the USA would rate their company as excellent at planning for the long term future. Could this be because they have not mastered the art of planning, or because they suffered from a short lived business outlook, or because their organism contained barrier for marketing planning? Clear to it? Okay. Marketing planning is basically deciding in advance what to do, how to do, when to do, who is to do it, and how is to do it. Marketing planning is nothing but a bridge between where we are and where we want to go. Marketing planning is nothing but how to achieve the organized marketing objective is known as marketing planning. In the next session, we will be dealing with the scopes of marketing planning. Okay. If you have any doubts and queries, please pin me on the email ID provided to you by the college. Thank you all. Thank you. Be at home. Be safe.